First of all, the NSUI Goa welcomes the decision by the CBSE to cancel the examinations, and along with the CBSE, all the Goa board examination has also been cancelled. We welcome this decision taken by the government of India as well as government of Goa. We welcome this decision, and first of all, we are thankful to the entire Congress leadership led by Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, which forced the government, the CBSE as well as Goa board across India to ensure that the cancellation takes place in the interest of the entire student community of the entire country. So first of all, we are very thankful, the entire student community is thankful to the opposition leaders led by Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, who took this initiative and who have been very vocal about this initiative of cancelling the examination. Along with the same, the NSUI national team was sitting outside the ministry. They were with the PPE kit. They were protesting for this demand of cancellation of SSC as well as HSSC examination. Coming to Goa, Mr. Pramod Sawant, the CM, Pramod Sawant, had tweeted, had said that the decision of cancellation of SSC as well as HSSC examination was taking into consideration the health of the students. Let us note that the health of the students is important, we understand, and this is why NSUI came up with this demand. But when you are talking about health of the students, that SSC students' health is important, HSSC students' health is important, then why is the health of third year students, final year students of all the streams, may it be diploma, may it be PG, may it be UG, may it be engineering, is the health, I want to categorically ask the Chief Minister of Goa, is the health of the final year students of Goa, of all the streams, also not important? How can you come up with a notice which states that offline examinations will take place for the final year students? How can you categorically say this? Because this means that you are doing a discrimination. This is nothing but a discrimination between the board examination students and the third year and final year students. So this is nothing but a discrimination which the government of Goa has taken, and NSUI strongly condemns this decision, and we are against this decision taken by the government of Goa. We have always stood with the students of Goa. We have always been on the streets. Right now also, if this decision is taken forward, we don't want to come out on the streets right now because it is a pandemic situation. So via this press conference, I want to convey this message to the government of Goa, to the Chief Minister, to make sure that you cancel this examination. Because if the cancellation of examination does not take place, then we will be forced to come on the street. We don't want to do that right now. Right now, we will be having an online protest. We will be demanding all these things in an online mode. And if sense prevails, he has to come up with a decision right now, right here. Naushad will be explaining you more about how we'll be going with the online protest and what our demands are exactly, of what all we want from the government. Failing which, we will be coming on the streets also if required.
सगळ्यांक येवकार प्रिंट मिडिया इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडिया yesterday NSUI go demanding not to conduct final year semester exams in offline physical mode. If you go to see today, also in Goa 10,000 almost 10,000 active cases are there. आणि अजून सुद्धा लोक जे गोयचे लोक स्टुडंट्स जे आहात ते अजून सेकंड वेवासून भायर सरूंक ना. फ्यू स्टुडंट्स आहेत होम आयसोलेशन, थोड्यांचे आवय बापूय भायर पडला, थोड्यांचे थोडे स्टुडंट्स जे आहा ते GMCन आपल्या आवय बापाय वांगडा आसा एडमीट जावन. सो इन दीस सिट्युएशन, इन दीस टफ टायम, गोवा युनिवर्सिटी इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग हेल्पिंग हँड फॉर द स्टुडंट दे वॉन्ट टू कंडक्ट एक्झाम. अजून गोवा जो हा अजून भायर सरूंक ना सेकंड वेवासून. And if this exam happens, then mass transmission will take place, and this may lead to a third wave. So as a responsible court, Goa University आणि एक वाटेन पयर CM स्टेटमेंट काडटा ड्यू टू स्टुडंट्स हेल्थ इज द अटमोस्ट प्रायोरिटी बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट वी आर कॅन्सलिंग 12th एक्झाम. सो फायनल स्टुडंट्साची हेल्थ काय ना, वाय यू आर डिस्क्रिमिनेटिंग? Actually CM has no role in taking decision of university because university is autonomous body, but CM can give his suggestions, CM can give his inputs because he is running the government. फाल्यां समज exam जाली and because of this exam marks transmission जालो, then it will affect the state. Corona cases वाडटले. At the end CM as the head of the state, he has to handle the state, he has to handle the corona cases, so he should interfere in this matter and he should make sure that exams जे आसा that should be conducted in some other mode. Other mode म्हटल्यार लास्ट academic year लास्ट इयर रजिस्ट्रार दुसरो आसलो. प्रोफेसर YV रेड्डी वॉज द रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ गोवा युनिवर्सिटी. लास्ट इयर जेन्ना केसी वाडिल्ले तेन्ना केसीस वर इन हंड्रेड्स, द एक्टीव केसीस वर जस्ट इन हंड्रेड्स. दॅट टायम NSY गोवा माय सेल्फ हॅड मेट द रजिस्ट्रार पर्सनली. आमच्यानी ताका मेमोरंडम दिल्लो आनी तांकां सांगलेलें की केसी वाडलेले आहा गोंयांत, सो कितें दुसरो मोड तुमी अल्टरनेट मेकॅनिझम यूज करा टू इवॅल्युएट द फायनल इयर स्टुडंट. सो तेन्ना एक डिसिजन घेतलेलो की फायनल इयर स्टुडंट्स जे आहा विल बी इवॅल्युएटेड ऑन बेस्ड ऑन द इंटरनल असेसमेंट. इंटरनल असेसमेंट म्हटल्यार कितें? 70% ऑफ मार्क्स ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट विल बी बेस्ड ऑन द प्रिवियस सेमेस्टर एक्झाम मार्क्स एंड इंटरनल असेसमेंट मार्क्स, आणि 30% वेटेज ऑफ मार्क्स विल बी गिवन फॉर अ स्मॉल ऑनलाइन टेस्ट. सो दिस mechanism was executed successfully last year and students were graduated last year through this mechanism. तेन्ना केसीस 100 आसता आतां इन सेकेंड वेव तुमकां खबर आहा की कोरोना खातीर लोकांक ऑक्सिजन गावना, बेडां गावना, आनी इन दीस टफ टायम यू ऑल आर नॉट कंडक्टींग एग्जाम इन दीस मोड. चल्ला कितें? वाय युनिवर्सिटी इज सो एरोगंट नाव? लास्ट इयर द रजिस्ट्रार यूज टू अंडरस्टँड द प्रॉब्लम. सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम इज सेकंडरी. प्रायमरी तो घेवन बसतालो, आमकां सांगतालो अशें केल्यार बरें, अशें केल्यार बरें. दीस रजिस्ट्रार इज द ऑफिशिएटिंग रजिस्ट्रार. हे आयकपाक तयार ना. सो आमी ताका सांगूंक सोदता की डोंट प्ले वीथ स्टुडंट्स लायफ. टुडे स्टुडंट आर नॉट जस्ट स्कॅर्ड, स्टुडंट्स आर मेंटली दीस. आयचे स्टुडंट्स जे आहा स्ट्रेसान आहा, इन एन्झायटी आहा. So we are demanding, NSY is demanding to please consider and implement the previous academic year model of evaluating students based on internal marks and a small online test. So आम्ही through a press conference सांगू सोदता दर एक स्टुडंटांक की आता कोरोना केसीस वाडला, we don't want to come on street, but you all have to fight this war against university. The only way to fight is online protest. So आम्ही रिक्वेस्ट करता दर एक स्टुडंटांक की तुम्ही आमचे दोनूच डिमांड आहा, हांव परतून सांगता. Do not conduct final year examination in offline physical mode. Rather, implement previous academic year method to evaluate final year students based on their previous semester marks, internal assessment marks and the online test. हे दोन डिमांड घेवन हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता दर एक फायनल इयर स्टुडंट्साक, तुमी ऑथॉरिटीजांक मेल धाडात. यू हॅव टू बॉम्बार्ड देयर इनबॉक्स, ईमेल इनबॉक्स. तेन्ना तांकां कळटलें की कितें स्टुडंट्स भोगतात ते, कितें पेरंट्स भोगतात ते. दीस टायम ऑल्सो पेरंट्स आर एंग्री. नो पेरंट्स वॉन्ट टू सेंड देयर चिल्ड्रन फॉर द एक्झाम. ते म्हणटा कितें, तूं फेल जाल्यार उपकारता, नेक्स्ट इयर आन्सर कर. दीस इज अ सिच्युएशन. सो आय रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द स्टुडंट्स टू बॉम्बार्ड देयर इनबॉक्स, ईमेल इनबॉक्स विथ युअर ग्रीवेन्सीस विथ दीस टू डिमांड्स. आमी आतां रिलीज करताय.